Hey, it's Elizabeth, and I just want to show you how to update your flexible shipment if you're a VIP. You're going to go to mymonat.com and put in the username and password that you signed up with or that I signed you up with. And if you need help, let me know. You're going to click Shop in My Flexship. You can also follow the link in your email, your reminder email. So if you just want to change the date, just click here and say Change Ship Date. Kick this out as far as you want, and then just give a reason. It doesn't matter what it is. You can even click Other and make sure to hit Submit. If that's all you're doing, then you're done. If you want to edit your FlexShip, you can change the products here. Just going to put something in here so you can see what it looks like. And then once your FlexShip cart totals $84, you can also, you're done. And you can also add this month. Oh, I see what happened. Hey, it's Elizabeth, and I want to show you how to update your FlexShip, either change the date or change the products. And I'm going to talk specifically about the promos for January 2019. So you can follow the link in your reminder email, or you can go to mymonat.com and type in the username and password that you signed up with or that I signed you up with. Click Shop, My FlexShip. Your FlexShip is here. If you want to just change the date, you don't need anything now, click Change Date. Then just change it to something. I'm going to actually change it to this month to show you guys something here. Then put any reason, it doesn't matter what it is, but you need to put a reason and click Submit. At that point, you're totally done. I'm going to show you how to edit it as well. So click Edit. And if you have your FlexShip set for January, you're going to have some promo options. So once your cart totals $84, you qualify for free shipping and the Only For You item. And this month, you also get 2 free samples. So once you do that, click Add Only For You. My suggestion is this micellar shampoo. It's exclusive to January, and it's just a gentle cleanser that anyone can use. And then add your 2 free samples. And you can pick any of these. Just to make it simple, I'm just gonna pick Rejuva beads. So that's it. You're gonna get all of this stuff for $84 roughly. After that, click Next. You're gonna go through all of these and verify all this information. So you're shipping, then click Next, delivery, click Next, the payment info next, and then finalize, and you'll click Save. At that point, once it's saved, you can go back here to Shop and click My FlexShip and see that all your changes should be saved here. If you need any help, let me know.